friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you again and again the latest method which will be explained exclusively to you. In today's video I will try to explain each indicators in detail and how to use them correctly to get good results. So to do this, watch the video to the end and don't miss any detail to fully understand the main essence of the method. So I think it's a great time to start setting indicators. So let's start with MACD. I change periods and set them to 8, 24 and 9. Also thicken lines and save them. The next indicator is the shaft trend cycle. I change the periods to 8, 22 and 50 and leave the EMA below. Here too I thicken lines and save all changes. So the third indicator is Weiss wave volume. You can also easily find it by searching. I change the periods, the value and set it to 5. I turn on the oscillator and normalizer and save. And definitely I put candles in for 1 minute and trade at 1 minute intervals as well. And I think everything is done. So guys, I think it's an amazing and stable moment, and I definitely entered the total amount because the signals of all three indicators match. This method may seem simple at first glance, but it's not. You need to listen carefully to what I explain and take into account in trading if you want a successful trading day. So in the first place, it's necessary to have a low volatility currency pair as you show more successful and efficient trades in less time. So I think I will continue explaining more on the following bets, and I think I'm going to win. Great, the first win. So it's a very good moment to enter the trade, and I entered with $1,900. Here too, all three indicators give us a signal, and the blue and orange lines of the first MACD intersect and go in an upward direction. It should also be noted that they are below their own candles and start moving from the bottom up. So this is a more effective signal. Also the Weiss wave volume candles have started the upward trend signals. Thus, this indicator tells us that the trend has changed in a short time. The red line of the third shaft trend cycle must be in the buying position or crossing the green line above it or being higher from the line. So, and I think it's better to be higher from the line. And I finished with an excellent win. Again, the signals on the same currency pair have strengthened, and I continue to trade this time with $3,000 because I believe there is a high probability of winning. So both lines of the MACD intersect with its green candles, and at the same time the other two indicators give a strong signal. So I thought it was a great moment, and let's wait a little bit and see what happens. Great job! Guys, this is one of the strongest signals in this strategy. Notice that the situation on the shaft trend cycle and Weiss wave volume indicators has changed at the same time, and they are already showing a downward trend as both indicators are on sale. Also, both lines of the MACD intersect and create a downward trend. Also, a large green candle is made in this position. However, the indicators don't change positions and the green candle is replaced by a red candle. And I think I'm going to win. Great! It was a convincing win. So I continue to trade on Euro GBP currency pair again because based on the analysis, I think that there is a good chance that the trend will continue to move down. The same is told by the signals of all three indicators that are in the selling positions. So in such a situation, there is a less chance of the trend reversing. So let's wait a little bit and see what happens. So it happened and I won again. And I continue to trade here again. I don't bet much. I bet less than 10% of my money because I'm not sure that the downward trend will continue again. But it's possible to successfully complete this trade here and win all the trades in today's video. So let's see how events unfold. And I think I will be done for today. Let's go down. Unfortunately, the last bet ended in a loss. So guys, that was all today's video. I know some of you want to learn more about trading moves, and I'm also trying to provide you with more and more new methods for more effective trading. So I wish you a successful trade and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.